What's up, eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for amazing prices. If you're like me, you've got a lot of USB devices, and you might be tired of plugging them in and out, trading spaces because you don't have enough slots. Well, ORICO is here to save the day with the 7-port USB 3.0 PCIe expansion card. You heard that right, 7 USB 3.0 ports, PCIe expansion card. Let's open the box. Great, so here we go. You get a thank you card and user manual. You get 2 mounting screws, 1 4-pin to 15-pin SATA power connector, and the main course, the ORICO 7-port USB 3.0 PCIe card. All right, this pretty much speaks for itself, ladies and gents. We all know how expansion slots work. This easily adds 7 high-speed USB 3.0 ports to your desktop when you use an available PCI Express 1, 4, 8, or 16 slot. USB 3.0 is 10 times faster than USB 2.0, 10 times faster, supporting transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second, with actual transmission speed limited by the setting of the device connected. All of the slots are backwards compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1 devices, of course. Connecting to the motherboard directly increases the stability of the connection, helping you avoid transfer loss. This is going to be great for people who need more USB ports, but maybe don't have enough space on the desk for like a USB hub. And by connecting the card to a 15-pin power cable on the motherboard, you ensure a sufficient power supply to the card, particularly for large transfers, and you ensure that every port reaches that USB 3.0 power supply standard, even with all 7 ports connected. The ORICO 7-port USB 3.0 PCIe card boasts a filtering unit with solid capacitors to offer reliable and secure connectivity. It utilizes an adopted VL802 plus VL812 master chip, further ensuring stability of data transmission. Enjoy copying videos, music, photos, and data files between USB devices while relaxing with a USB foot massager, anything you want. And finally, just a few notes and pro tips. It's not a charger, okay? You should not be trying to charge devices with a USB expansion card. This will not be compatible with Mac OS. You're good to go on Windows 10.8.7, Vista XP, and Linux. Okay, no Mac, but if you're on Windows 10.8.7, Vista XP, or Linux, you're fine. You should download and install drivers from the official ORICO website before using. The drivers are simple, it's one button installation, and this will help ensure that old computers can reach and enjoy the speed of USB 3.0. Well, eggheads, that's all for now. Sorry if you're a Mac user, all right? But if you're on Windows 10.8.7, Vista XP, or Linux, and have an available PCIe slot that's either 1, 4, 8, or 16 lane, simplify your life. Give yourself a one-stop shop of USB ports. Check that out, one-stop shop of USB ports with the ORICO 7-port USB 3.0 PCIe expansion card. For current prices, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.